Let's do this example together. Given f of x is equal to negative 4x plus 2, determine the inverse of f in the form f to the power negative 1x is equal to something. So I sketch the graph of f and its inverse on the same set of axes with the line y is equal to x. Determine the coordinates of the points of intersection of the graph of f and its inverse. Let's start with A. Right, A is very easy. It's just two steps. Step 1, where there's y, put x. Where there's x, put y. Just interchange x and y. Then the second step, you make y the subject of the formula. Let's just do that. So A is f of x, which is actually y, is equal to negative 4x plus 2. Where there's x, you put y. Where there's y, you put x. That's the first step. So it becomes x is equal to negative 4y plus 2. And then what will be the next step is to make y the subject of the formula. So we can bring negative 4y to the left hand side and move x to the right hand side. Transpose. Then it becomes 4y is equal to negative x plus 2. Then we divide everything by what? By 4 to get y as the subject of the formula. So y is equal to negative 1 over 4 x plus 2 over 4. 2 over 4 is 1 over 2. Okay, you can write like this. Y is equal to negative x over 4, then plus 1 over 2, like that. Is still okay. This is just the same as negative 1 over 4x. Right, so this is the equation of the inverse of f. We have this point where we interchanged x and y. We have this point there where we have our y as the subject of the formula. Then B, sketch the graph of f and its inverse. Let's start by f of x. X-intercept, we know that y is equal to 0. So where there's y, we put 0. We're starting with this. So it becomes 0 is equal to negative 4x plus 2. Then 4x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Divide by 4 on both sides is going to be 1 over 2. So it means this is going to be our x-intercept, 1 over 2, 0. Then y-intercept, x is equal to 0. But now, even from the value of c, okay, remember y is equal to m x plus c. This c gives you the y coordinate of the y-intercept. So it means our y-intercept is 0, 2. That's the y-intercept. If you substitute and put 0 where there's x here, okay, you get your y as 2, 0, 2. Okay, and then we can sketch the graph of f. Right, and then let's sketch the graph of the inverse. So now we're doing this one. We can say this one. Right, what are the coordinates of the x-intercept? X-intercept, y is equal to 0. Where there's y, put 0. So it becomes 0 is equal to negative 1 over 4 x plus 1 over 2. Right, 1 over 4 x is equal to 1 over 2. Then we can multiply by 4 on both sides of the equation. Okay, x is equal to 2. Okay, so meaning that the coordinates of the x-intercept will be 2, 0. Okay, let's find the y-intercept. Right, y-intercept is easy. Just get the value of c here. It's what? 1 over 2. So it means this will be 0, 1 over 2. That will be the y-intercept. Even if you put 0 where there's x here, we'll get 1 over 2. So that is 1 over 2, 0, 1 over 2. That's the y-intercept. Then you can sketch the graph of the inverse of f. So this is the graph of the inverse of f. This is the graph of f. Okay. Then we said you must draw the line y is equal to x. This is the line of reflection of these two graphs. Remember, inverse functions reflect each other above the line y is equal to x. Right, let's do C. Determine the coordinates of the points of intersection of the graph of f and its inverse. We have the equation for the function. We have the equation for inverse. So points of intersection, we solve simultaneously. So it means negative 4x plus 2, which is the f of x, is equal to negative 1 over 4 x plus 1 over 2, which is the inverse. So they are equal at the point of intersection, which is this point here. Okay, so let's multiply everything by 4 to get rid of these denominators. negative 16x plus 8 is equal to negative x plus 2. Negative 16 plus x, that is negative 15x, is equal to 2 minus 8, that will be negative 6. Then we divide by negative 15 on both sides of the equation. X is going to be 2 over 5. Okay, right, to get our y, you can use any of the equations. You can use this one, the equation of f. So y is equal to negative 4, then 2 over 5. That's the x value plus 2. And we're getting still 2 over 5. The coordinates of the point of intersection, 2 over 5, 2 over 5. Okay, right, we can indicate them here. It means 2 over 5, 2 over 5. Those are the coordinates of point of intersection.